See, it's a first time job, but we've got to do it first time 2 more times. I love it. Give it a foot. Dude, fucking huge. So I think what we do is we've got a 3-day piece. So we need to start from the top, get all this in. Second day, middle. Third day, bottom. Now the reason I'm starting at the top though is because by the third day, all of this will start to heal. And if we start at the bottom and it was healing and we was constantly like rubbing over the top of it, you're just gonna make it more irritated. So yeah, smash it. So we've done, obviously, all this top, round front, put the lightning in. Done the white now because I don't want to be doing the white after 3 days when he's really, really sore. So tomorrow is just to smash out the face, I think. Yeah, how's it felt?
All right, actually.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, just a bit sore with white going in, but apart from that, we're all right.
7 hours in, 70 hours to go. So it's another rainy, shitty day today, but we're on to day 2. Yesterday was quite a difficult day, if I'm being honest, like working up on that shoulder area. If you've worked on shoulder areas before, you know how difficult it can be, how the skin is in that area. It's not good. But hopefully we are on for an easier day today. We're gonna get the face done and the beard done. Well, we're gonna get as much done as we can, to be honest, but that's the main priority today. Face, beard, head, and hair. But we'll see. But thank God we're off that shoulder. But I think it's looking good so far. On a side note though, look at all these watermarks. That is from driving home last night at 60 mile an hour in the dark and then ploughing into what could only be called a river on the road with my window down. The car aquaplaned. Your boy nearly died. Get all that gunk off. It's actually not that much gunk though.
I thought it'd be way worse, to be honest.
It's a bit gunky on this right hand side, but
yeah, you've got a bit on left here.
Should all come off quite smoothly, to be fair. Complete silence while we go for the moment of truth. Looks promising. Well, we've nailed that left side anyway.
Yeah. I don't think that could get any closer.
It's slightly off on right, but it's not going to make a difference. Bosh. Hoorah. All right, so that's the beard done. So just to give you all a brief explanation. So you saw all the black, basically put all the black in, and then took the round shaders, a 9 round shader and a 5 round shader, and strictly just concentrated on direction, and then obviously putting the tone over the top. You can see in these areas here. But all in all, it took around, 3 hours to do that beard?
About 3 hours, yeah.
I think it looks all right. The result of day 2, totaling now 15 or 16 hours-ish, round about that. About 3 hours what took on the beard, 3 hours on the face maybe, and then the rest on the top. Was gonna put white in today, but I don't think I'm gonna do that
tomorrow when it's all settled and we've got all resting. The white's in the top though, so I don't need to do that, which is good. If I was to touch white again tomorrow, that portion of the tattoo is too far into healing to be able to do it. So, but that is day 2 done and dusted, and I am fucking knackered. Don't know about you.
Yeah.
I'm tired. Christmas come late or Christmas come early, depending on which way you look at it, with a new batch of needles. Speaking of needles, I have been using 5 mags by Da Vinci Quartzo lately, and they are incredible. I absolutely love them. But I've just realized that I haven't actually gone through the needles that I've used. So on this piece, it has been mainly the 5 mag, a 15 mag, a 9 round shader and a 5 round shader, and I've used a 3 liner just for like some little cuts on the Odin's face. But we're on day 3, really excited to get it done. I'm really tired, but the result will be worth it. Admiring it a minute. The result of 23 to 24 hours over 3 days of hard graft. I'm knackered, my client's knackered, but there we have Odin and a pretty sick fucking tattoo.
Dude, what are you doing?
Admiring my work, and I'm staying right here. My back's killing. Just gonna sleep on this hard floor. Fade to black.